Tip 12, creative retrospectives. Your team has been doing retrospectives for a while, and you want to look at new ways to share the discussion. As a team, you want to gather the data for how the team wants to inspect and adapt and get better. Let me give you an explanation of the concept. In the traditional retrospective, we have the plus and we have the delta, what worked and what did not work so well. What I'm going to do is give you 3 techniques to get you slightly more creative with that. One way is the modified starfish. Here we are looking for what do you want to start doing, what do you want to stop doing, and what do you want to keep doing. You can still use the traditional post-it notes and Sharpies to populate each of these points. The second creative retrospective technique is the sailboat. Here you are suggested to gather 2 bits of information. The first one being the wind. What is that is powering your team, or what's powering your particular sprint forward? You should also look at anchors. What is it that's stopping your boat or your sprint from moving forward? Basically, what's providing your energy and what's slowing you down. The third one is the learning matrix. On a whiteboard or a desk, you could have different areas. A smiley face for what worked well, a sad face for what didn't work well, or a light bulb for what bright ideas you have for the team for betterment, or maybe flowers for who do you want to give thanks to or who helped you during the sprint. These creative methods can help with teams who value different approaches or add a much needed spark to your meeting. In summary, try to experiment with alternatives to the traditional retrospective techniques, and think about getting creative with the modified starfish technique, the sailboat technique, and the learning matrix technique.